Tired of the same old kitchen routine? Ready to level up your cooking game? Today, we've found 20 of the most clever, ingenious, and downright amazing kitchen gadgets from Amazon that you won't believe you've lived without. Let's get started. Is that the Loch Ness Monster in your soup? Nope, it's the Nessie Ladle. This is a Nessie ssary tool for any kitchen. It's made from heat-resistant material, and thanks to its tiny feet, it can stand on its own, always on standby. What a great gift idea! Opening cans is now as easy as 1, 2, 3 with the Kitchen Mama electric can opener. Just place it on the can, press the button, and watch it work its magic. Best of all, it cuts along the side, leaving no sharp edges. Stop burning your fingers on hot toast. These adorable Bernie the Bunny toaster tongs are here to the rescue. Made from beautiful beechwood, they're perfect for picking hot toast right out of the toaster. Get ready for a clawsome kitchen helper. This is Red, the multitasking crab. He's a spoon holder to keep your countertops mess-free, and he's also a steam releaser to stop your pots from boiling over. This heat-resistant little friend is a true kitchen essential. Make the most of your kitchen space with this expandable sink colander. It fits perfectly over your sink, giving you extra room for washing veggies or letting dishes dry. A simple way to maximize your workspace. This is Oscar, the dish scrub brush that will wag his way into your heart. This reusable scrub brush has durable bristles that are rough and ready for action, staying strong through countless washes. Don't you hate when you can't get that last bit of jam? The Splatipus spatula is designed to work its way from the bottom to the top of any jar, so you can enjoy every last drop. Bon appetit! Straining pasta can be a hassle, but not with Krabby. This clip-on strainer keeps you safe from scalding steam. It clips on with ease and has a crab-tastic fit for any pot, pan, or bowl. Here's a charming twist on a kitchen staple. These are genuine Fred Matryoshka measuring cups. Made from BPA-free plastic, this set of 6 cups perfectly nest into each other for easy, space-saving storage. Craving s'mores, but don't have a campfire? Bring the fun indoors with the Nostalgia Electric S'mores Maker. Its flameless heater perfectly toasts your marshmallows, and the compartment trays keep all your ingredients organized for a perfect s'mores party. Say goodbye to messy ink separating. Just look at this adorable chick separator. Crack your egg in, and it perfectly filters the egg white through its cracked shell design, leaving the yolk behind. It even handles a double yolker with ease. Chopping herbs can be tedious, but these 5-blade herb scissors make it a breeze. Snip herbs directly onto your pizza, salad, or soup. They save you time, and the included cleaning comb makes cleanup effortless. Need more counter space? This roll-up corner drying rack is a game changer. Use it to dry dishes, wash produce, or even as a trivet. When you're done, it just rolls up for easy storage. Grill to perfection and say goodbye to guessing. The Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer gives you precise temperature readings in seconds. It's packed with features like a backlit display for grilling in the dark, and it's magnetic for easy storage. Why use a knife and a cutting board when you can have both in one? This universal tool from Liberhouse combines scissors with a mini cutting board, allowing you to slice veggies, sausages, and more directly over the plate. If you struggle with stubborn jars and bottles, you need this in your life. This multifunction opener from Bloss can handle any size jar lid, bottle cap, or can tab with ease. One tool to open them all. Now for a set that has it all. This incredible 8-in-1 kitchen gadget set includes a peeler, multiple graters, an herb stripper, a pizza cutter, and a bottle opener. It all stacks together neatly and even comes with a handy storage bag. Peeling has never been this easy or comfortable. This palm peeler fits right in your hand, giving you better control and making quick work of potatoes, carrots, and more. Tired of fighting with plastic wrap? These elastic bowl covers are the perfect solution. They stretch to fit any bowl or plate, keeping your food fresh and making cleanup a snap. They come in 3 different sizes and colors. Keep your counters sparkling clean with the Zule Kitchen Silicone Utensil Rest. It holds up to 4 utensils, and the raised edges and square base catch any drips. It's heat-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and comes in tons of colors. And finally, let's tame that cable chaos. These brilliant cord organizers stick to any appliance, keeping your countertops neat and tidy. The flexible rubber bottom bends to fit curved surfaces, and the center clip holds the plug. No more tangled wires. And there you have it, selected clever kitchen gadgets that are guaranteed to amaze you and make your life so much easier. If you saw something you loved, you can find all the products linked in the description below. Using our links is a great way to support the channel at no extra cost to you, so we can keep finding more amazing gadgets. Which gadget was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing from you. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe with notifications on so you never miss our next amazing find. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.